Good boy, Bucky. Enough? Enough, pal? Oh, a little bit more. He's gonna run off with it. He's going to eat it right down to the white.